I'm your usual online Twitter, George Kamavo. Today we are looking at angle of depression. Angle of depression is the angle formed below the eye level. That is, let's take this as someone standing with the horizon. So if this person views something on the ground, this is the ground, sees a bird or a fly on the ground this way, then the movement of the horizon is not going downwards this way, and hence form an angle with the horizon. If this angle is named theta, then we say we have an angle of depression being formed. To compute anything, then we need to connect and make sure we form a right angle triangle. Then we compute for either a side if necessary or the angle of depression itself. Let's take an instance of a question and look at what is expected of us here. Now, at a height of 40 meters, a girl observed a fly 20 meters away from a structure in which she stood. Calculate the angle of depression of her eye to the fly. So first of all, let's draw this scenario. Let's take this to be the structure and the girl on it. Now, there is a fly which is 25 meters away from the structure. This is the eye level of the girl, and now the girl views the structure, the bed on the floor, hence forming an angle named an angle of depression, say theta. So we now have a right angle triangle. But then the height of this structure is said to be 40 meters. So taking into consideration the size A, B, and C, then D this way. So the distance from C to D is the same as the A, B. Similarly, the AD is the same as the BC. Let's quickly redraw this as this. This is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. So my theta is at A, 25 meters over here, and the BC is my 40 meters. So which trig ratio do we use here? We have opposite adjacent, that is tan. So quickly, let's employ tan of the angle theta, that to give us the opposite, which is 40 divided by 25. Excellent. Then from here we find the tan inverse of 40 divided by 25. This will give us 57.9946 degrees. To two decimal places, we have 57.99 degrees. Therefore, the angle of depression of the girl's eye to the fly is 57.99 degrees.